we just made it to Cars and Coffee. It's the last one for the year. So it's supposed to be a big banger. Bunch of cool cars. You know, the usual. And they got a new mic. So it's not gonna be any of that little ruffle thing that be coming on the top there. Big old intake. Look at it. Bigger than my hand. Big old turbo. Got the STO. Perf. A 63. The one is 63.
What's your name again? Scott. Oh yeah,
SLR number 6. Carbon hood. These cars way before their time. Brabus. Smells good. Oh my goodness. 720. M8. This G80 is hard. With the HREs. Oh, that's hard. Supra with a big turbo. The dream car. Only 250,000 subs left and I can get this. It's not a lot.
You guys stuck out in the back where the military has that bomb section.
R33. Hard, just like hard. Big old turbo. I like that. Austins. I mean, honestly, for like, let's see how much these are. $294,000. $294,000. You buying it?
No.
600 LT with the center seats. I've never seen this paint, this combo, but I like the spec. Matching brakes. Carbon everywhere. Carbon, carbon, even more carbon, even more carbon. Just carbon everywhere. You see where it says MSO? So he paid extra for this. This is stupid hard. Stupid hard. You can tell he's been shooting flames. Stupid hard. So fun fact, these cars actually shoot flames from the factory. That's why they have this coating right here. That way you don't burn your wing. Ford GT. Carbon wheels. Insane. With the perf on the side. Big Urus. G80 starting up. Big Benz, could this be the new car? 47K? Okay. 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 So this, or every black person on YouTube, $63,000, you get yourself a Hellcat, get 1,000 views, automatically get 3,000 subs, or you get a scat pack, 37,000. Wow, like 37,000, not that bad. How many shootouts you think was in here? Does it still have a VIN? Let's see if it still has a VIN. It still does have a VIN. Okay, so, you know, hasn't been stolen yet. Or you can get a Corvette for 41. This combo with the GTS and then the GTR, the R34 and the R35. That's alright. Both in Bayside blue.
What do you have to say?
About what?
About the cars out here today?
It's kind of dead today, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I was expecting a lot more cars, a lot more people. But you know what? There's a good variety, I guess. This probably be a very short video. Or instead of the Hellcat, we do a Supra. I was actually looking at some prices of the Supras a couple days ago, and they're actually dropping in price. I saw some for like under 50. That'd be like my little budget. Or you could do like a Mustang, but I'm not really trying to do a Mustang. I feel like Mustangs are kind of overplayed on YouTube. Supras are kind of overplayed, but you know, they're still very new platforms. This is different. Nice Whipple. That's hard. We got even more Mustangs. Corvettes on a fat ass tire with the welds. Just a random Supra sitting in the parking lot. Crazy. C8s are cool too. They're dropping in prices, but like aftermarket wise, it's not that much unless you got a big budget. And I ain't got no big budget at the moment. I mean, looks pretty good. We're gonna do another lap around, see if we maybe missed some cars. Channel's been growing pretty good, getting some steady views. We're about to have our first video hit 1K views, so that's pretty cool. Like, I didn't think that. I mean, I got, at the moment, I got like 36 subscribers and we're already hitting 1,000 views. That's we're getting a little motion, you know what I'm saying? But you know, we're gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna try to keep bringing as much car content as possible. If you guys want, I was thinking about doing like something with my car now until I were to upgrade to the next one. And if you guys want to see that, let me know. Let me know down below. But yeah, we're gonna keep looking around, keep trying to find out some good gems. TTRS, these cars are so slept on, it's insane. I believe they have like a 5-cylinder and sound beautiful. No, these cars are hard. Shout out to One Stock. Like, they like the fastest TT in the world. Cars are stupid. Another slept on car, the Veloster N. Not my cup of tea, but I can respect it. That's cool. They have like a Christmas tree on the top. Supercharged the LT4 on the SS. Wait, is this an SS? No, it's not an SS. It's a Z01. Yeah, you see, I corrected myself. Ooh. Y'all, look at this NSX. This is hard. I like this body kit. The Faros. Old Momo wheel. That looks cool. The snorkel. Carbon hood. I like it. Color combo with the wheels is, I like that. With the champagne wheels, that very nice.
Listen, I'm gonna start tracking up.
Demon.
18, 2615.
1,069.
Yes, mine's 2615. When I got it, I'm gonna start tracking them to 2018 and I'll buy it. I'll actually win. So after.
Oh my goodness, the Demon.
Yeah.
Big old tire. You know what that means? You know what that means. Demon 170. Goodness. Insane. Absolutely insane. The tire on it. Beautiful G80 with the carbon buckets.
I don't need just like the details. I'm just saying that's one. I don't know.
Seats are just, these might be like the best seats in my opinion ever to be on in a car under like $200,000. Just, and look at the carbon back. Insane. C7. Z06. That's a cool wrap. Really, I feel like with Chargers, like the Hellcats, SRTs, all that other stuff, the only thing like modification wise you can really do, like with Hellcats and all that, all you can really do is get a good All you could, excuse. All you can really do is like get a wrap, make it fast, and put some bigger tires on it. That's really all you could do, like customization wise. Like, there ain't really much you could do. Shelby. The cage. Ooh, wide body Urus. Okay. Wide body Urus with carbon hood. Okay. This is what you like. Big wide body Urus. Yo, look at this color on this MC20. This is pretty cool. Like a Tiffany blue. I didn't even know the doors went up. And then the interior on the MC20. Little gems. Got a little Supra. Then a McLaren. I don't remember the name of this McLaren, but I know it's more like, I don't want to say entry level because I mean it's still like 200,000, but these cars are hard. Just they aren't reliable, like at all. I've heard. Nice M240. Short video today. Drove out like an hour to come up to West Palm, but there were some good cars, nice solid cars. Can't complain. I'm gonna try to make it to another show next week. I'm gonna try. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see like more like car modification videos, stuff like that. Maybe not so much just car shows. Oh, that's nice. Let me know what y'all want to see. But I'm gonna see y'all boys when I see y'all boys.